Rich, the Cascades got some snow this week, but we're looking out the window, sun is shining, but don't be deceived, it's still a little chilly.
No, this is nature trying to trick you into going out in shorts and a t-shirt.
I know, but don't do that.
You will regret it, especially in the next couple of days. Actually, this morning, just a real change that headed our way. We had those temperatures this morning down to the pretty close to the coolest so far this fall, upper 20s and mid to upper 30s around a good portion of the area. So finally, it's going to feel a little bit like winter is coming. I mean, less than a week ago, our overnight lows were in the low to mid 50s, and our highs won't even get there today. So, yeah, things are changing pretty quickly at this point. Checking the countdown to the winter solstice, just 56 days, and 56 days until we start seeing the daylight get longer again, which is something to look forward to for sure. Take a look outside. Beautiful day, though. We've cleared off in a lot of places. Still some clouds around central and south sound, but the system is producing those are going to be moving away from us, and it's already cleared out nicely there in Bellingham with a lot of blue sky and blue water this noontime, and that a short time ago was actually the shot from Tacoma, but it's taking a little bit of a break right now. Queen Anne Tower Cam looking out there towards Elliott Bay. You can see quite a few clouds looking down towards the south where that little system is kind of moving by us. And they're in Tacoma right now. You can see just about the same view looking out towards the Tacoma Dome. It looks like there's no wind out there. Not seeing any sign of the flag on the top of the Tacoma Dome, which is our anemometer. Checking the temperatures. They've warmed up after being down into the upper 20s and low 30s down in the South Sound, already into the mid to upper 40s, and mostly in the mid to upper 40s around Puget Sound. We're not going to get too much warmer than that. We'll probably peak out this afternoon in the upper 40s and low 50s. Take a look at the satellite image. Not a whole lot to show you, really. We have a big area of high pressure that's developing over the Gulf of Alaska. You can see this little disturbance that just moved down the British Columbia coast. That's going to move on out of here. That'll allow us to clear out, which is good and bad. We'll have more sunshine later this afternoon, but it will be clear tonight, which will allow those temperatures to drop right back down to the upper 20s and low 30s. And as this big area of high pressure forms up here, we're going to see some dry northerly winds headed our way, which are going to bring, well, to some sunshine for the afternoons, but it's also going to allow the skies to be clear at night, which is going to allow things to really cool down. And as we head towards Saturday and Sunday morning, we're looking at overnight lows down into the mid 20s to the mid 30s. Not bitterly cold, but given the quick change from warmer overnight temperatures, you'll definitely notice it and be time to pull the jacket out, which I did for the first time today. We'll be looking for that to sit with us through the weekend, keeping us cool. We'll see daytime highs in the mid to upper 50s. And then as we head towards Monday, we'll start to warm a little bit. And at this point, it looks like we'll be in really good shape as we head towards Halloween. It should be a dry Halloween headed our way, which is definitely good news. High temperatures this afternoon, you can see peaking out most spots, upper 40s up there north of Seattle, and then low to mid 50s down south of Seattle. Overnight lows tonight as we head towards tomorrow morning in the upper 20s and low to mid 30s most spots. So a little chilly, and we'll be a few degrees cooler than that as we head towards Saturday. And then over the weekend, we're looking at those high temperatures hovering right around that 50-degree mark. As we head through the weekend and start off next week, by the time we hit Monday, we'll start to warm up a little bit overnight. The daytime highs will be moving back into the mid-50s. For Halloween itself, we're going to be looking for a partly sunny day. We look for temperatures getting to the mid-50s. It does look like as we head towards Wednesday and the latter part of the week, we'll be looking for increasing rain. High temperatures, though, very close to normal, staying mostly in the mid-50s.